What do you want to be when you grow up?
Welcome to a new video. So, in today's video, welcome to a new video.
Welcome to my new series.
Welcome back to a new video.
Hi, welcome back to a new video.
Hey guys, welcome back to a new video.
So I've been exploring the wilderness for about an hour now. I'd never seen this book in my life. Someone just threw it at me.
I can't zoom in this. Yeah, she has a bounce castle. So we're gonna go on it and it's gonna be so fun.
Hi guys, welcome back to a new video. So if I could put